Today, I'm going to show you how to add recipes to your Shopify blog with Recipe Kit. I'm Harriet from DropInBlog. Let's get into it. Before you can use DropInBlog's recipe embeds, you need to complete the following steps. Install the Recipe Kit app in your Shopify account, contact Recipe Kit to enable integration, and create a recipe from within the Recipe Kit Shopify app. After you've created at least one recipe in Recipe Kit, open the DropInBlog app from Shopify's left-hand menu. And once in DropInBlog, in the Posts page, choose an existing post or click here on the Add Post button to create a new post. We'll choose an existing post for this video. Now in the Posts editor, choose where you want your recipe to be placed. We'll click here. Then click on the chef's hat icon at the top bar over here. This action will open a window where you find your Recipe Kit recipes. You can also look for specific recipes using the search bar functionality here. Once you've chosen a recipe, click on the Insert button to the right of the recipe. And a recipe placeholder will be added to your post like so. As soon as you save your changes and publish or update your post, the recipe will appear with the same design and styles you've set in the Recipe Kit app. So, click on the Save Post button here. Once confirmed, click on the View Post button to the right, just below the Save Post button, and your blog post will open up in a new tab. In the blog post, we'll just scroll down a bit, and we see our recipe added just as how we intended it to appear. And that's how you add recipes to your Shopify blog with Recipe Kit. Happy blogging!